Is your paper for again?
I tried paper for my North Dakota history class. What do you need to get?
I need articles for old Stoneface Huffnagel's comp class.
Oh yeah, on what?
On video games.
Oh.
Why am I even coming to the library? I can never find anything.
I'm never going to get this done in time. I've never even been in the library.
The guy wants 5 articles. I'm doomed. And she's doomed too.
I don't really know where to start, and I don't have a lot of time. I'd better ask a librarian. This paper is due tomorrow morning. That's only 12 hours from now. Excuse me, I'm writing a history paper.
On what?
Teddy Roosevelt?
What are you looking for? Books, magazines, newspapers, government documents?
Books.
Since you're looking for books, let's walk over to one of the Odin terminals. If you're interested in any books about Theodore Roosevelt, you should try a term search, since it's the broadest type of search you can do. Type TE for term, then type Theodore Roosevelt rather than Teddy. There are 162 records that mention Theodore Roosevelt. Let's look at some of the titles. Type DI for display. Are any of these of interest?
Not really.
Let's go on to the next screen. Type DI again.
Oh, there, I like that one. Number 29.
All right, type DI 29 to display that record and get the call number. The call number is given as location, and if you type DS, you will find out if the book has been checked out already. The records say on shelves, so you can go to the 4th floor and get it. You may want to return to the list to get other titles and get other call numbers before you go upstairs.
I think I'll look for some more titles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This paper's due tomorrow morning. That's only 12 hours from now.
Remember, this paper is worth half your grade.
I'm going to fail this class. I'm doomed. Maybe these guys can give me the magazines. Hi, I'm doing a paper on video games, and I need some recent articles. Do you have any current magazines at all?
Yes, we have current magazines. Do you know what magazines you want to look at?
No.
Well, your first step then is to go upstairs to the reference desk and ask the reference librarian for help. They can show you how to use indexes, which will give you articles on your topic. And they can also show you how to use the public serial list, which is a list of all the magazines we have in the library. After you get a call number from them, you can come back down here and I'll show you how to check out the magazine.
Thanks. All right. The reference desk on the second floor. They wouldn't treat me like an idiot just for asking where the indexes are, would they? Nah. Can you tell me where the indexes are? I really, really need some help.
We have a number of magazine indexes. Can you tell me what your topic or your subject is?
Yeah, I'm doing a paper on video games for my comp class, and I need to find some current magazine articles.
That's an interesting topic. You can either use the paper magazine indexes or the computerized magazine indexes.
Yeah, let's use the computer.
Okay. This computer is devoted to magazine indexing and cannot be used to locate books in the Odin database. The beginning screen allows you to select the magazine index you would like to use.
It doesn't really matter.
Then let's begin an academic index. This is the beginning point when you need to type in your subject. The computer searches for the terms you entered and will place you in the list of terms used by the index. Select the category you'd like and the magazine citations will be displayed. There are directions for printing the citations you find. If you have any questions, come back and ask.
Now where do I go for these?
Checking the public serials list is the next step. The public serials list will tell you if we own a particular magazine title, give you the call number, the volume holdings, and the format. You complete a request form for the current issues and take the slip to the periodicals desk downstairs.
Wait till Hufnagel reads this paper. Copies right here to old Stoneface. He's going to have to give me a good grade once he reads this paper.
Well, I found my book faster than I thought. What do you say we head over to the Union, grab a bite to eat, and maybe start on our papers?
Yeah, okay.